Congratulations to you all who has achieved this fantastic result with the Lepse ship. It's a long time since we were first invited by Murmansk Shipping Company and Atomflot to visit Lepse to see what we could do to solve this issue together. Close 30 years later, you have now removed the spent accidental fuel, which is a great achievement. Back in '92, we made a plan together to see how we could create results, and in this way, the Lepse ship has also been a pilot ship, making the way for many other cleanup operations in northwest Russia after the Cold War. Under the Russian leadership, we in '94 managed to put up a multilateral cooperation. We invited the European Environmental Commissioner, Mr. Paleokrassas, and the foreign ministers in the Scandinavian country to visit and have a conference on board on the icebreakers of Atomflot. During the lunch at Lepse, when we turned on the Geiger meter, the commissioner said we need to finance this. And together we made an alternative plan, not to bury Lepse at Novaya Zemlya. That was one of the first plans. And we also developed a strategy to take care of the real heroes, the workers safeguarding this ship from being more damaged or leaking. I think the big event we had together in '94 was the real start for the results achieved today. And I think our capability to make results together is what has made progress. It's important for me that even if this has taken close to 30 years, we think that the Russian leadership, the Russian strategy and technology used here has been the best option. And we think also this issue with Lepse has created experience that we need to clean up many other sites in the world. The story about Lepse is a story about openness, cooperation, progress and making results. It's also a story about human beings taking responsibility and wants to do good. And I really want to thank Mr. Hauge for a long cooperation and his leadership in this work. Without Mr. Hauge, I doubt that we had been here today. There is also many institutions, Rosatom, Atomflot, Murmansk Shipping Company, who has been very, very important here. And I want us to remember that even if it's a very, very difficult topic, we together can manage results. It was a great experience to be invited to Murmansk to participate when Lepse was towed out of the harbor to be dismantled. I'm very proud of what we have achieved together, and I hope for a long cooperation. I'm grateful at all the people doing the real work at the ground. I'm very grateful for the service and the work our office, Bellona office in Murmansk, has done with Mr. Solotkov, and of course Mr. Savaronkin, that has been following this issue for a long, long time. There's many people that I don't know personally that has been very involved with their skills and technical knowledge to make this project safe. Thank you so much. We need to show the world that with good technical solutions that has been created under the Russian leadership and international cooperation, we can solve difficult topics like this. I'm very, very grateful. And with a long tradition, I really would like to say congratulations, thank you, and something I've learned is it's very important to make progress. Na zdrowie. Thank you all.